up, guys? Welcome to a new episode of High Altitude Motorsports. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. We are currently starting this vlog at 8:55 p.m. So as you guys saw 2 videos ago, the McLaren is still exactly how we left it. We got the downpipes in. Boom. But I'm leaving. Oh man, I don't even want to think about it. At 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. It is 9 p.m. the day before. Mike Figs is doing a killer job, staying late, putting in the work, and getting the titanium exhaust completed so we can get it installed in the car tonight and yeah, basically make it to the rally in the morning with a full titanium exhaust. For the meantime, I think I am going to detail my car. That way it doesn't look like this. This is like bug guts or dead animal. It's gonna be a late night. I can already guarantee that. The car was left in here during a spray painting session. This is just from my clay bar in my windshield. This is all the black that came off of just half of it. Crazy. We're gonna walk across the building, go to Figs' shop, see how the progress is coming over here. It's getting pretty late. I'm sweating super bad. Yellow.
So once everything matches up, then we'll be able to tack. We'll do another test fit once it's tacked.
We pretty much have everything cut. He's finishing up a couple more cuts. We're gonna test fit it with literally everything taped together. Since it's so light, we should be able to test fit it and make sure everything fits properly. And then kind of go from there. I know it's loud. I'm exhausted. It's 2 a.m. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get the titanium exhaust done. It got too late, and I just didn't want to film putting everything back together because I wanted to get it done as quickly as I possibly could. So I got it back together with the OEM X-pipe. Now, I am basically just getting a few things that I need so that I can go home and sleep for 4 hours and then wake my happy up early in the morning. So we'll see you in the morning. It is 7 in the morning and we are on our way down to Automobili Exotica. Slightly tired, but as soon as the rally starts, be getting some energy, some adrenaline. It's gonna be a good time. Alright guys, so we just made it to Automobili Exotica. Check out some cool cars, probably have a driver's meeting here shortly, and then see what's going on from there.
You all can listen to our communications on channel 1.
Just made it to the top of Independence Pass. which I believe is like a little bit over 11,000 feet of elevation. What's up guys, welcome to a new day. We are out here at the car show up in Snowmass. Yesterday was rough. Got 3 hours of sleep and I was exhausted, so I didn't have much energy, but I got a good 8 hours of sleep and now we're at the car show, so we're gonna film some sweet cars. One cop.
High school is a block away.
2 cops. So we are going on a drive, a mountain drive with a guy named Diego, and we were told to go to the middle school, so we went to the middle school, and now we just found out that we're actually supposed to go to a high school. So on our way to the high school.
Clear.
Right there.
I'm not happy about that.
All right. Thanks for your service.
Oh no.
Got a little bit of a dilemma.
Okay, what's up?
So I stopped to get gas before we got here. The gas station was closed.
So we went to the middle school, now we're at the high school.
School's closed.
And not really sure what's going on.
How much?
Word. Okay. Just keep it calm.
Thanks.
Okay. Some of them are too tempting. Too often.
You have to be if you spend this kind of money on a car.
Just have fun and just keep it safe.
Yeah, thank you for your service.
Yeah, thank you.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
We just made it from our drive. It was a ton of fun. It's kind of hard to film because it's just a ton of tight corners, but man, we hauled up here. So we just made it up, and we're gonna enjoy some ice cream.
Yeah, this pig's living the best life ever.
She's like more spoiled than our children. It's pretty ridiculous.
Alright guys, so we finished my first heat of the racetrack. This was my first time ever tracking a vehicle, so had an instructor, thanks Jeremy, and about to do our second heat and try to get some footage from inside the car as well. And yeah, it was a ton of fun. So we're gonna do one more lap and then we got a long drive back down to Denver, so probably end up taking off a little bit early. There's the car. So that is the end of the Automobili Rally. Don't mind my radar detector going off. We are making our way back down to Denver. We met up with one of our friends from the rally. I think he's in a BMW M5. So we're gonna cruise on down, and that's gonna end this vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up on the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.